friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are building a fully functional BLDC motor using a 3D printer. Let's start with 3D making on Fusion 360. After doing a lots of research on the internet, we decided we will make 16 slot rotor and 12 pole stator. You can find all STL file linked in the description below, ready to print on your FDM 3D printer. I printed the motor part using PLA at 100% infill for strength. Now let's wind the stator. This is the most important step we making 16 slot and 12 pole configuration. Wind each coil with equal turns. I use 30 turn of 0.25 mm wire. Now connect our stator wire according star connection. Install bearing on stator and fix it on a base plate. For the rotor, place the neodymium magnet in alternating polarity. Fix a shaft on our rotor. Time to assemble everything. Position the stator and align the rotor. Make sure everything runs smoothly without friction. Connect the 3 stator fish to our ESC. And connect servo motor tester and 12 volt power supply. Power it up and look at the spin, smooth, silent and powerful, all from a 3D printer. If you find this project cool, give it a thumbs up and subscribe our channel for more tech videos.